It's Rebecca with Rainnail Studio, and today we are demonstrating a kid's dry manicure. First things first, you want to analyze the child's hands and fingers for any cuts or scrapes before you sanitize. You can use antiseptic spray or alcohol. Next, I'm taking an orange wood stick, and on the flat side where you would use to push back the cuticles, you want to wrap it in cotton or tissue to gently push back the cuticles. Next, you're going to take the pointed end of the orange wood stick, get a fresh new piece of cotton or tissue, and wrap that up to clean up under the free edge. You want to make sure that you avoid poking or stabbing the hyponychium to avoid infection or soreness. My tip for this is to apply a bit of pressure and pull back on the fingertip to expose that free edge and get up under there as much as you can without causing pain. The reason I'm doing this video is because I do know a lot of us would like to offer kids services, but we always need to remember that they're not the same as adults. They are very gentle and you need to take it easy on them. Also, you can add this as an add-on service for clients that don't have a sitter. You can not go against your policy and still make a little bit of extra money. Next, you're going to take a file. I recommend using a 240 grit file. It is much more gentle on the nails. Or you can use a 180. It is slightly a bit more coarse. So if you have a 180, you use that, but I recommend 240. You just want to go from corner to center, avoiding the seesaw motion of filing their natural nails. Next, you want to prep these cuticles for the massage. You want to use cuticle oil to throw in a little bit of extra moisture on this dry manicure. And when you're going to do your massage, you want to make sure that you are using unscented products because you never know how sensitive a child is. So just be mindful of the products that you're using and remember that children are gentle and sweet, so take it easy on them. You don't want to make the massage more than 5 minutes because you know children have a short attention span. We're just trying to give them a little pampering and make them feel special. So for each hand, I spend about maybe 45 seconds to a minute just so that they can get the experience. That is pretty much it. The last step would be to polish. If you are going to polish, there are a lot of kid-friendly polishes out there, so just be sure to do your research. My son so generously offered to be my model, so we're skipping the polish for today, but he's ready to go. This is all for this video. I do have a polish video coming up for my daughter, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Again, my name is Rebecca, and I hope to see you soon.